हेलो स्टूडेंट, आपका सब्जेक्ट है एनसीएस, जो कि इसका सेकंड चैप्टर हम स्टार्ट किया है। सोलर कलेक्टर। सोलर कलेक्टर क्या होता है? द सोलर एनर्जी विच इज़ द एसोसिएटेड अब्जॉर्बर द इनिशियली कंपोनेंट ऑफ एनी सिस्टम फॉर द कन्वर्जन्स ऑफ द सोलर रेडिएशन इनटू मोर असेबल फॉर्म, यानी कि एग्जांपल ऑफ हीट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। कि सोलर एनर्जी कलेक्टर विद इज द एसोसिएटेड अब्जॉर्बर इनिशियली कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ एनी सिस्टम conversions solar radiation energy into more accessible form. In the non-concentration type, the collector area is the same as the absorber area. On the other hand, the concentrating collectors, the area intercepting solar radiation is the greater, sometime hundred of time greater than of the absorber area. By means of concentrating of collectors, much higher temperatures can be obtained than within the non-concentrator of type. Non-concentrator collector may be used of the generate medium pressure steam. They use many different arrangement of the mirrors of lines of the concentrate sun rays of on the boilers. This type show better efficiency that the flat plate type. The best efficiency collector should be mounted to be face sun as it move through the sky. 2 points of non-concentrating collectors and concentrating collectors. Non-concentrating collectors contain these collectors. The area of the collectors intercept the solar radiations of equal to the absorber plates and has concentrate of ratio. First point is flat plate collectors. Flat plate collectors कौन से होते हैं? These are used for temperature below 100 degrees Celsius. These can be both beam and diffuse solar radiations. They are installed in the fixed tilt position optical oriented towards the equators. These are the used for the temperature below 100 degrees Celsius. These can use beam and diffuse solar radiations. They are installed in the fixed tilt position optical oriented towards the equators. Advantage: it is a utilized both beam as well as diffuse radiation for the heatings. It require less maintenance. It utilizes both beam as well diffuse radiation for heatings, require less of maintenance. डिसएडवांटेज क्या है इसकी? लार्ज हीट लॉसेस बाय कंडक्शंस एंड रेडिएशंस बिकॉज इज द लार्ज एरिया. नॉन ट्रैकिंग ऑफ सन. नॉन ट्रैकिंग ऑफ सन. लो वाटर टेम्परेचर ऑफ अचीव. ये डायग्राम आपको दिखाई गई है फ्लैट प्लेट ऑफ कलेक्टर्स. The main components flat plate of collectors. The transparent cover, which may be one or more sheets of glass or radiation transmitting plastic film or sheets. The transparent of covers. The transparent cover, which may be one or more sheet of glass or radiation of transmitting plastic film or sheets. Tubes, fine passes or channels, is the integrate with the collector absorb plate connected to it. Tube finds passes or channels integrate with collectors plates or connector to which carrying the water, air or other fluid. Absorber plate of normally metallic or with a black surface, although the wide variety other material can be used with air heaters. Absorber plate can normally metallic or with of the black surface, although the wide variety of other material can be used with air heaters. Insulation which should be provided at the back and side in the minimize the heat losses The standard insulating material such as fiberglass, styrofoam are used for this purpose. Insulation क्या है, which should be provided at the back and side, minimize heat losses. Standard insulating materials, fiberglass, styrofoam of used for this purpose. The casing or container which includes the other components protect them from the weather. ये स्टडी हमने किया है फ्लैट प्लेट कलेक्टर के बारे में कि कैसे काम करता है और उसमें क्या होता है. द केजिंग कंटेनर ऑफ कंपोनेंट्स प्रोटेक्ट देम फ्रॉम द वेदर्स. आगे है आपका लिक्विड कलेक्टर. इट इज़ द प्लेट एंड ट्यूब टाइप कलेक्टर. इट इज़ दैट इज़ plate and tube type of collectors. It is basically consists the flat surface with high absorbability of solar radiations. क्या है इसमें absorbability क्या ज़्यादा होती है, solar radiation is called absorbing surface. Typical metal plate usually copper, steel of aluminium material with tubing copper. Thermal contact with the plate are mostly commonly used of material. The plate metal usually of coppers, steel of aluminium material, tubing copper. Thermal contact with the plates mostly commonly used of material. Absorber plate is usually made from metal sheet 1 to 2 mm thickness. इसमें जो शीट यूज़ करते हैं हम 1 और 2 mm की थिकनेस में यूज़ करते हैं. द ट्यूब विच इज़ आल्सो मेटल रेंज इन डायामीटर 1 to 1.5 cm. They are soldered, brushed or clamped to the bottom of the absorber plate with the pitch ranging from 5 to 15 centimeters. Heat transfer from the absorber plate to the point of use by the circulations of fluid cross of the solar heat surface. Thermal insulation of the 5 to 10 centimeter thickness is the usually places behind the absorber plate of the prevent the heat losses from rear surface. Insulation material is the generally mineral wood or glass, wool and fiberglass. The front cover are is generally glasses transparent of incoming solar radiation applied to the infrared radiation from the absorber. The glass cover act of the convection shield reduce losses from the absorber plate beneath. Glass is generally used to transparent cover, but certain plastic film of satisfactory most favorable material thickness of 3 and 4 mm of commonly used. They 1 or 2 covers of specific जो आपको डायग्राम में दिखाया गया है. द हीट ट्रांसपेरेंट फ्लूइड कैसी होती है. ट्रांसपेरेंट कवर, ऑब्जॉर्बर, इंसुलेशन, सोलर रेडिएशंस, cautions in sports and sheets of glasses. Advantage of second glass which is the above to first one are. Losses is due to air convections and further reduce this important of the wind area. The radiation losses in the infrared spectrum are then reduced further 25% because is the half of the 50% method of outward from first glass plate of back radiate. It is the note worth will use more than 2 glasses plate. This is due to fact that each plate of reflect about 15% of incoming sunlight. For water stream, the absorber plate can be any metallic, plastic, or rubbers, sheets that of implement water channels. Wheel for air system is the space above or below. Collector's plate may be flat, black paint with of the approved primer. Primer coat should be preferable thin of thickened undercoat of paint, increasing of resistance of heat transfer. The primer should be self of etching time if the black painted absorber, the coating of the absorber plate is called selective coating. तो ये आपका था लिक्विड कलेक्टर क्या होता है. लिक्विड कलेक्टर इज जनरली यूज्ड वाटर, इट इज जनरली वाटर, समटाइम मिक्सचर वाटर ऑफ इथिलीन glycols or used ambient temperature of 0 degrees likely of the encountered. Heat transport system. The heat generate is absorbed moved to continuous the flow of heat sport medium either water of air. When water is the most commonly passed through the metal tubes with circular and rectangular cross sections. The tube are welded to the absorber plates so as of ensures effective heat transfer to the fluids. In order to the maximize exposures of solar radiations, collectors are almost invariably sloped. Cooler water than the enter at the bottom. Heater float upward through tube where the top of heaters. तो आगे आपका टॉपिक है, इसमें टिपिकल एयर कलेक्टर और सोलर एयर कलेक्टर क्या होता है. डायग्राम आपको साथ में दी गई है टिपिकल सोलर एयर कलेक्टर की और जिग जैग एयर फ्लो पाथ फ्लैट के उसमें एयर कैसे फ्लो होती है. ये जो आपका एयर कलेक्टर है, इन दिस टाइप फ्लैट कलेक्टर द एयर स्ट्रीम हीट है. इसमें क्या है, एयर स्ट्रीम हीट इस बैक साइड ऑफ कलेक्टर प्लेट, जो कलेक्टर प्लेट की बैक साइड में एयर स्ट्रीम fine attached to the plate increase the contact. The back side of the collector is heavily insulated with mineral wool or some other material. The most favorable orientations collectors heating only facing due south of the inclinations angles horizontal equal to the latitude of the 50 degree. Air has been used as the heat temperature transport medium solar collector. Air has been used heat transport medium in solar collectors, but it may have some advantage of overwaters, decrease the power required to pump the necessary volume air through the tubes. Wider flow channels are used. Air may be passes through the space between absorbed plates and insulators with buffers arranged provided too long. The use of air as of the heat transport fluid eliminations both freezing corrosion problems and small air leak of the less concerned than water leaks. Moreover, heat air can be used directly for space heating. Other hand क्या है, the large duct size and higher flow rates increase pumping power and air than waters of heat the transport of media. Another drawback of transfer heat from air of water is hot water supply system of the insufficient. Solar air heater of important place among solar heat collectors. It can be used to the subsystem. Many system meant of utilization of solar energy. Heater of drying of the agriculture product, space heating of comfort, refrigerations of the defoaming season timers. एडवांटेज क्या है सोलर हेयर हीटर की, हीटिंग बिल्डिंग ड्राइंग एग्रीकल्चर प्रोसीजर एंड लंबर्स, हीटिंग ग्रीन हाउसेज, एयर कंडीशनिंग बिल्डिंग, यूटिलाइज डिसेंट बैंड्स ऑफ अब्जॉर्ब रेफ्रिजरेशन प्रोसेस, use or heater of heat source of heat engine of the Brayton of the Stirling cycles. तो ये आपका टॉपिक था टिपिकल एयर कलेक्टर्स के बारे में, लिक्विड कलेक्टर और फ्लैट कलेक्टर्स ऑफ सोलर कलेक्टर्स में.